Court is now in session to hear the case of Ray Tan So-sim and Ors versus Tan So-kyo. Let the plaintiff's lawyer with the opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honour. Members of the court, today we represent the adopted children of the late Madam Tan So-sim. It was her dying wish to leave her asset to her adopted children, who she loved and cared for deeply. We will demonstrate that there was a clear intent to bestow a property upon them based on the principle of love and affection. We will also show that this case challenges an outdated interpretation of the law.
Sir, defendant lawyer, your opening statement.
Thank you, Your Honour. Today we will prove that the claim of the adopted children are invalid under Section 26A of the Contract Act. This section explicitly states that contract based on natural love and affection must meet specific legal requirements which are not satisfied in this case. Furthermore, customary law does not recognize the adopted children as close relatives. Therefore, the plaintiff claim must be dismissed.
Plaintiff lawyer, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honour. I call the first plaintiff, one of the adopted children. Can you describe your relationship with Madam Tan So-sim?
She raises us as her own children. She loved us dearly, provided for us, and always referred to us as her family.
Did she express her intention to leave her asset to you?
Yes, she told us multiple times that she wanted us to inherit a property as a gesture of her love and care.
Thank you. No further questions.
Defendant lawyer, your cross-examination.
Thank you, Your Honour. So, you mentioned Madam Tan So-sim's intention. Do you have any written document signed by her to prove this?
No, but her verbal assurance were clear.
Is it true that under Contract Act, such agreements must be in written and signed to be valid?
I am not sure.
No further question, Your Honour.
Plaintiff lawyer, do you have any another witness?
No, Your Honour. The plaintiff's rest.
Lawyer, you may proceed with your case.
Thank you, Your Honour. I call the defendant, Madam Tan So-kyo, to the stand. Can you explain why the asset should not be granted to the adopted children?
According to law and custom, adopted children are not considered close relative. Madam Tan So-sim intention, if any, does not meet the legal requirement for enforceability.
Thank you. No further questions.
Thank you, Your Honour. Are you denying that Madam Tan So-sim had a close relationship with the adopted children?
I'm saying that law does not recognize it as a relationship defined by natural love and affection.
But would you agree that love and affection can exist outside the constraint of legal definitions?
Perhaps, but this case is about the law, no sentiment.
Thank you. No further questions.
Both sides have presented their cases. Plaintiff lawyer, your closing statement.
Thank you, Your Honour. This case highlights the need to honour the intention of a woman who loved and cared for her adopted children as her own. The law must adapt to recognise the realities of modern family structures. We urge the court to uphold Madam Tan So-sim's wishes and grant the asset to the plaintiff.
Defendant lawyer, your closing statement.
Thank you, Your Honour. This court must adhere the law as it stands. The plaintiff claim do not meet the requirement of Section 26A of the Contract Act, and custom does not recognise them as close relative. We ask that the court dismiss their claim.
The court has reviewed the evidence and argument presented. While the plaintiff's relationship with Madam Tan So-sim may have been meaningful, the law requires the contract based on natural love and affection to meet specific criteria. As these criteria may not be satisfied, the court rules in favour of the defendant. Case dismissed.